Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NCLH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming into play here. And first part, update's not really the right word for it, but definitely confirmation to be an accurate term. Confirmation that this level right here, that green line representing 1225, has definitely been confirmed as an area of support. I mean, you can see it spent almost all morning long just flirting with that level. And to give credit where credit's due, the bulls held very strong there. So much so that not only did it hold, but then late day actually produced a nice little movement to the upside. So on that note, like I said, nothing necessarily new to report, assuming you've watched the past videos. But 1225 remains that initial level of support and that main level that you're going to want to continue to see hold going forward. But as far as the little adjustments that I'm going to make, what I'm going to do here is drop this level of resistance down to this area right here. Because to me, this is more so the truer level of resistance. What do I mean by true level of resistance? Well, you go back here, and you can see it's become very apparent that there are lots of sellers sitting there. And in my opinion, if the price can work its way up there and get the break of it, and the key dynamic here being a high volume break, then I mean, no such thing as a guarantee. But at that point, I don't think it'd be shocking at all to see the price get up to 1350, if not even go higher than that. So in my opinion, like I said, the true break point that's really going to generate that much more upside momentum is no longer that 1350 mark, which I talked about previously, but I think it's more so right around that 1315 mark. So watch that very closely, and that's one of those levels where a lot of people have taken notice of that. So this is not a great discovery on my part. So when a lot of people are watching the same thing and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what 1315 is representing. But all in all, very interesting pattern here headed into Thursday. And it's looking reasonable. It's looking possible that there could be that breakout coming. So we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.